Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about the blueprint of data science project. Yes, many of the industries and companies want the blueprint of the project, and many more freshers and interns don't know how we create and make the blueprint of the data science project. So now we will discuss about the every part of the data science project. This is the blueprint project prediction of stock price movement based on trading using supervised learning model. This is the blueprint. Firstly, we totally understand how we create the blueprint of the data science project. So if we going on a Chrome and I search the data science life cycle. So here we are going the images, and in images we can, here we are seeing the different kind of images. These are showing the data science life cycle. Yes, every project which we are making, uh, data science project, these are the based on the data science life cycle. If we are creating any kind of application or any kind of application, or we are designing any website, so these kind of project are depending the software development life cycle, but data science project is depending on the data science life cycle. So here is the many more part. Here is the showing the 7 part. Firstly is the business understanding, and second is the data mining. Data mining is the very different kind of part, and data cleaning. And fourth is the data exploration, and five is the future engineering, and six is the predictive modeling, and seven is the data visualization. And here is the some different kind of figures we see: the data collection, data preparation, exploratory data analysis, EDA, modeling, model evaluation, model deployment, and business understanding. Yes, if we are creating a blueprint of the data science project, then every data science project are depending on the data science life cycle. Yes, you totally understand and remember one thing: every data science project are depending on the data science life cycle. If you are not using the data science life cycle, you can't define your project and you can't make the blueprint of your project. Yes, data science life cycle is a help to creating the every data science project. This the 7 part is part are the defining every step by step process of the data science project. Okay. Yes, now we are moving the a project which we are making for the blueprint. Here we can see, yes, blueprint of the model. Yeah, here is the some part. Here we are defining the process of the data science: data pre-processing, and after that EDA analysis, training modeling, test model and evaluation, model prediction, and model deployment. And we are defining every step: data, which kind of data we have, data sets, data frame, msft is a .csv is another data frame .csv, we have another data which have 7 columns and 22805 rows. Okay. Collection the raw data from GitHub, file format.csv. We are defining the data, how we have data, which kind of data we have, And after that, this what is the second step? The second step is the data pre-processing. What we do in a data pre-processing? Data cleaning, removing blanks, null values and duplicates if any, handling outliers, everything we are discussing. EDA, exploratory data analysis. What we do in a EDA? Visualizing various plots to analyze the distribution pattern of various attributes, understanding the data pattern with respect to target variables, feature selection, remove unnecessary column, identify correlation, training model, Seg- segregation dependent, close variable and independent variable. Okay. And after that, what we do? Test model and evaluation. What is the test data? 20% data set in both cases we are taking for the test. And after that, predicting our model prediction. Yeah, predict predict the stock price using trading after applying SVM. We are showing the model, which kind of model we are using. After that, what we do? Model deployment. Okay, this is the step. Every step a little bit we define, not take much time, 1.5 hour or 2 hour to making a PPT, or any other candidates, interns or fresher are doing for making the blueprint. Take only one step, and in this step you can totally define your project within a little bit words, little bit sentence. Okay. After this video watching, if you are going any kind of interview or any kind of project meeting, in your project meeting, the manager says that define your project. What do? You firstly create the PPT, and after PPT you introducing the product, the project. After that, each features, and